I reckon just go back. Back on the one we did. Yeah, you happy to do that? It wasn't that bad. Louis, it's up to you.
Hang on, let's see.
And then that goes
Yeah, Garen.
for. You can go to either.
Yep, no, that was exactly the same. Yeah, I was thinking the same. Garen, and then
Yeah, Garen.
Two tracks, and then we head.
And it goes down in Scarpment or
Yep,
something.
and then east into Nuniong.
Sweet. Do it.
Sorted. I got no idea what's going on.
Still on the road, still adventuring. We are, what, 5 o'clock? The boys just went down to a hut, but there was people, chockers down there, heaps of people. We're in the middle of bloody nowhere. And anyway, the sunlight's magic right now. It's a beautiful time of the day, and we shouldn't be too far away from camp, hopefully. Been a really cool day. Some great tracks, lots of rubbish on the CB and chatting away. So.
Day 2, figuring out where we are and where we're going. Mapping session once again.
Yeah, it's seldom seen.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just, I think,
I reckon, yeah, we just, go to helipad, come around,
Wing
see
it
if we can
where
get
we
up
go.
to that and then do that.
yep, that'll be fine. What's the worst that can happen?
You have to turn around.
Yep.
Time to hit the road again. Couple of tracks and then back on the main road and head home.
We're on Nuniong Plains track and headed east. That's the plan today, just head east as long as we can. There's a couple of tracks that sort of, one last one that looks like there might be a few steep sections, and it'll take us up north and sort of back onto Barry Way, Snowy Mountains, Highway or Road or whatever that is.
We are literally at the end of some track, Urza something, and we came across this thing. Thicker than the Azido.
Oh, that's ass. That's ass.
That is a big tree.
That's a massive tree.
There's not enough logs around to ramp that end and drive over it.
Well, we probably could, you know.
Well, that's optimism.
Yeah, I've done it before.
You just have to use the ramps.
What, we're gonna make ramps?
No, you put the logs and then the ramps over the tracks over
He's
the
got to
top.
have a bit under them to...
Give them support. Depends how much effort you want to go to. now.
Shane, can. Track building. It's fine. Quicker than turning around, hopefully.
We'll find out.
Is this gonna work? Won't die wondering.
Great. Great. Just go slow. Keep going. Keep going. More. Right hand down, that's it. Keep going.
This side's starting to come off the edge. What do you reckon, Ledbrook?
No, it's okay, you're on the thing.
I think you'll stay on them.
Keep going.
Yep, yep.
Only go to the top of it.
Slow.
You're right. You're gonna have a big drop on this left hand side.
Slow. That's it. Keep skidding. Yep. You're good.
Alright.
Shite. That worked. Unbelievable. Alright. Colorado next.
Just a little bit. Yep. You can. Slowly. Just easy. Up. Keep going. Bit more. Bit more.
Got that hill start rubbish. So it puts brakes on and holds me. Now I've got to press it and it'll go goo.
Easy, easy. Easy. Keep going. Slow. Yep, keep going. Easy, easy. Keep going. Okay, hang on.
Nah, he's not climbing up on the boards.
Oh, Jesus. You go neutral, Louis. Just reach in a tiny bit. He's almost up. Woo! Straight, straight, let's go straight. Straight, straighten up. That's it, go.
Alright, hold up, hold up. So this back wheel's about to come up on, and then we'll just chop this hole once you're up on. The rest looks good. Turn left hand down, left hand down, left hand down, left hand down. Alright, stop! I reckon you can drive from there. Yeah, you'll be straight now, just real slow. Real slow. You can turn. That's it, good job. You're over. There it is. 3 cars over. I reckon it was way quicker than turning around. Probably a 20-minute track max. 2-hour recovery.
We're on Melik Mungie track, heading north, trying to get ourselves out of here, heading home. Check this spot out. Time for some lunch.
Yeah, boy.
How good's this spot?
Actually, quite nice. A little bit pebbly.
Want some grass, eh? But even the track to get in here is awesome.
Yeah, the rut through it.
And even getting out of here, I reckon, looks pretty cool.
Well, up there looks good.
What a footprints.
Definitely not Brumby. Might be a crocodile. Look out.
Crocs. Pygmy possums. There's a nice little campsite up in there. We just got a long way in and we just hit this. It's unlocked, wide open, or it was. What would you do? We're just going back. Massive bummer. Hitting that gate just a second ago, so we're a long way from home. That's the end of the trip. We're in frickin' Buchan. A long way, 5 hours from home. Shano's gone to Jindy. We're going Can River way. And we're gonna race to see who gets home first. Dramas today. Had to go ways we didn't want to go. And here we are, 5 hours from home. At the end of it, the trip. That's it, game over. Till next time, let's do it again.